This is the front deflector lid replacement for the 2014 to 2022 Sea-Doo Sparks. It's a really nice cover. It's an exact match right here. You can see that one right there has the factory one. This is the new one here. You can see no changes at all. It's exactly the same. Really nice fit on here. This company gives you the whole kit. They give you this bottom bracket. They give you all the screws and the brackets. The upper brackets right here are zip ties in here. I was just missing the front cover, so it's an exact fit right here. Fits really good. It actually fits better than the factory one because it's new. It just has opens up just like this. You can see here. Fit right on the hinge right down there. And then the straps right here, you can see it just goes inside here. It's got a really good fit. It's a little tight because I just put it on here, but fits really well. And again, it just matches the factory here, so I'm very happy with it. If you're missing your lid cover, this is absolutely the company you want to go with. Very pleased with it. It was about a 5-minute install from opening the box to putting this on here, and now I have my cover back on here. So definitely want to check this out if it's the 2014 to the 2022 Sea-Doo Sparks.